Marcos, and I'm going to be playing some Dead Trigger. I have Piggy Rule 17 in the background, so you might get a little annoying. We're going to do the arena. I'm going to eat my ice cream that I have in front of me. What's this? Speed booster. No clue what that does. Whoa! He's running.
Hey, he's in the Olympics.
Kind of. An Olympic zombie. When things get tough, use the chainsaw. Oh! Hey! Hey! Ah! No! No! You guys are so lame. He's annoying me. You guys are fat. See, this guy knows what he's doing. He's running. You guys are just lazy, fat pieces of turds. You're just... Oh, hello! I don't scream every time I see a flipping zombie, okay? Ah! No! I'm out of ammo.
That's mature. 10, 11 up. 12 and up. No, 15 and up.
Get wrecked, you zombies. You guys are dumb piece of crap. Oh, whoa, whoa, I'm cornered. This is scary. What's this? Buy bandages. No. What's this? Refill ammo? Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where's the left side? Okay, guys, this is episode 1. I'll see you guys later.